Cauliflower wings is not boring. Trust me. I've tried it out. It's not boring. So stick around and I will show you how I make this delicious, yummy, crispy cauliflower wings. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I made it. We need lots of spices. We want to make it so spicy and delicious. So of course we need our cauliflower, a cup of water, barbecue sauce, a cup of flour, salt, paprika, garlic powder, ginger, curry powder. We're gonna mix all these spices in. It's gonna give us a delicious flavor. Just stick around and you'll see how I make it. First of all, wash your cauliflower. Wash it thoroughly and cut it into cauliflower florets, just like so. Cut them into little bite sizes. And then we're gonna mix in our spices into our flour. Stir it a little bit, give it a little stir. And then we're gonna add a cup of water. That's half a cup of water, but I'm gonna add more. Give it a little stir. We need a pancake kind of consistency here. You're gonna stir it up a bit. Add a little more water. This flour is not supposed to be too runny, right? We want it to coat the cauliflower so that we can bake it. So mix it a bit. Stir it thoroughly. I think at this stage we need a tad bit of water, a little bit of water. Then give it a good stir. Then we're going to toss in our cauliflower florets into this batter. Just do it in batches so that we don't break the cauliflower apart. Just toss them in. Make sure that the flour is fully coated. The florets are fully coated with that flour. Guys, this is gonna be so yummy. I mean, today is wings night. It's Wednesday today. Try this out with your friends and family, or with your family. Let's see how it goes. Trust me, it's not boring. I mean, if you have the regular wings, try this out once in a while and see how it goes. This is also nutritious and yummy as well. I mean, I thought when I saw it initially, I was like, I don't think I'm gonna have that, but I tried it out. I made it myself. And it turned out good though. It turned out really good, pretty good. So you see how it is. And then our next step is for us to pour it into a pan, a non-stick pan. Baking pan. You're gonna space them out evenly. Bake this at 150 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. I mean, you can use 2 trays if you want. But for me, I'm gonna just use one. So using one, space them out evenly so that it doesn't stick together. And we are done baking it. And then right now we're going to mix it into a barbecue sauce. I'm going to coat it with our barbecue sauce. You can use any sauce if you want, but for this recipe I'll be using barbecue sauce. Carefully mix it in, and then we're gonna throw it back into the oven for 20 minutes to get it all crispy, all nice, all juicy. Be careful while you do this so that the wings don't break apart. Guys, try this out. Let me know how this went for you. Leave a comment in the comment section. If there's any other recipe you would love for me to try out, let me know. And while at it, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, like this video, share it with friends. And then we're going to pour it back again into the big pan. Evenly space it out as well, of course. And there you go, guys, and that is your cauliflower wings. Thank you for watching. Bye.